Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I will be sharing to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. I will be providing, of course, the prices, features, product codes, everything you need to know. I would be also linking everything as much on the description box below. You know our practice here, guys. If you like anything so far, kindly ready your phones or laptops, take a screenshot, and for orders, kindly check with your CAs and check online via louisvuitton.com. So guys, what are you waiting for? Happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-going fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! I'm very happy to share Louis Vuitton's upcoming bag collection launching July 2024. Prices, SKUs, product codes, features, and launch dates are all included. Kindly take a screenshot for your reference, and for orders and availabilities, kindly check with your CAs. Happy shopping, everyone! Alright, let us start first with the Leather Speedy P9 Collection. First, we have the Speedy P9, size 40. This collection is launching July 2024 from the Men's Fall Winter 2024 collection. Price is €9,000 or 11,100 USD. The colorway of this one is purple, size 40, and it would come with a detachable pouch, as you can see here. This would come in this turquoise colorway as well. So we have the Speedy P9 40. Price of this one is €9,000 or 11,100 USD. Again, from the Men's Fall Winter 2024 collection, it would come with the detachable and adjustable leather strap. Comes with same color leather pochette and clochette and bag tag as well. So Speedy P9 40, same price is €9,000 or 11,100 USD. We have SKU here. The color of this one is fuchsia. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap. Comes with same color leather pochette bag. As we could see here, we have clochette and bag tag as well. Everything would be launching July 2024. And then we have the Speedy P9 size 25. SKU is provided. The price of this one is €7,500 or 9,300 USD. Still from the Men's Fall Winter 2024 collection, Leather Speedy size 25, and the color is turquoise. So the Speedy P9 25, it would also come in the purple colorway with same price of €7,500 or 9,300 USD. Kindly take note of the SKU. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap. It would still come with the same color leather pochette, or it looks like a giant key clay. It would come with bag tag and clochette as well. Next, we have the Speedy P9 size 50. So the colorway of this one is turquoise. Price is €10,000 or 12,400 USD. It would come with the entirety is made of leather, and it would come with vachetta top handle, detachable pouch as we could see here, like a giant key clay. It would come with bag tag and key clochette as well. Speedy P9 size 40, the price of this one is €12,000. We have SKU here. Color is camel. The material is nubuck leather. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap. Comes with same color leather pochette bag. It would come with the bag tag and key clochette. Let us check out other collection. First, we have the scarf. This is from the women's collection Spring Summer 2024. Price is $6,200 USD. The material, guys, of this one is calfskin with stripes printed on the leather. Interior has twill lining, and it comes with a removable leather pocket. It would come with leather top handle as well. Then we have the next collection. We have the Monogram Dust collection, which would be launching July 2024. First, we have the wallet trunk. Price is 7,500 euro. I would say this looks like the men's version of the Petite Malle. The material is a new monogram canvas print with vachetta leather trims. It would come with detachable vachetta strap as well. We have a pocket organizer. Price of this one is 485 USD. We have SKU here. The new material is the monogram dust print. It would come with leather interior with multiple card slots. Next collection would be the Brush Monogram Collection, still launching July 2024. First, we have the Slender Wallet. Price of this one is 790 USD. So the outside material is a new monogram canvas print. It would come with leather interior with multiple card slots. I am actually liking this print of the monogram canvas. What do you think, guys? Kindly comment down below. Next, guys, I am so loving this one. So we have a handle trunk. The launch date of this one is June 27, 2024. The price is quite affordable, only at 7,500 euro. We have SKU here. So this is a new trunk handle bag. Material is the classic monogram canvas with vachetta leather trims. It would come with detachable vachetta crossbody strap as well. Then we have a shoe box. The price of this one is 12,000 euro. The launch date is June 27, 2024. We have SKU here. So this is how it looks like when opened. So it is a trunk with trunk details, as you can see here, treated leather that it comes with aged gold hardware. What do you think of this one, guys? Would you purchase a shoe box for 12,000 euro? Next, from the By the Pool 2024 collection, I have touched on this one previously. So we have the launch date of June 16, 2024. Now we have clearer photo. The material of this one is a terry cloth fabric. Price is 2,700 euro or 3,350 USD. The colorway of this one is cocoa. Comes with vachetta leather trims. And then we have the Louis Vuitton bucket. Price of this one is 2,200 euro or 2,720 USD. We have SKU here. Same material, which is the terry cloth. Color is cocoa. It would come with vachetta leather trims, vachetta top handle, and bag charm as well. This collection is launching June 16, 2024. Then, guys, this is already available, but I would like to share it as well. We have the Alma BB. Price is 2,020 USD. So this is from the Epi Color Animation Collection. The material is Epi leather. The color is grenade. It would come with silver hardware, silver padlock, silver keys, and non-adjustable leather strap, as we can see here. Next colorway, we have the very beautiful yellow colorway of the Alma BB. Price is 2,020 USD and SKU is provided, still from the Epi Color Animation Collection. I'm excited what other colors they would bring for the Alma BB. So it would come with detachable leather strap, clochette padlock, and keys, and as you would notice, it has silver hardware. Next, we have the Capucines BB. Again, this is already available to purchase. The price of this one is 8,600 euro or 10,000 USD. Wow. So I'm guessing this is a very limited edition, special collector's item, Capucines BB. So as you can see, it's like embellished with beads. The logo of Louis Vuitton has mother of pearl inlay with detachable strap. Then we have a minimal bag. We have a Louis Vuitton Hobo size PM. Launch date is June 28, 2024. Price is 3,000 euro or 3,400 USD. The color is urban yellow. So the shoulder strap is fully adjustable. It would come with a monogram pouch that is fully detachable, and this one I am loving. It comes with very minimal logo. Then we have the Romy card holder, the final SLG for the day. Price of this one is 535 USD. Material is the very beautiful empreinte leather. Color is fuchsia pink. It would come with gold hardware, leather lining, and multiple card slots. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a shopping cart emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing family by clicking this cute little icon here. Please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video, guys. I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!